Hey everyone, today let's try to solve this problem, which is the problem statement is cells with the odd values in a matrix. So what is given in this statement? We have been given an integer m and n and this indices. What this m is saying, m and n, we have to construct a matrix with rows equal to m and columns equal to n, and we want to return initially that matrix is going to be 0 0 0, and we will do some sort of things on that matrix, and we want to return the count of the odd values in the matrix. So that was the whole problem. Now let's just find what we have to do so that all the zeros will transform to some integers. So for that we have been given this indices matrix also. So what that is saying, this indices, let's just come on this example straight away. We have been given m as 2 and n as 3, so we will construct a matrix of 2 cross 3, and we have been given this indices 0 1 and 1 1. What it is saying, this indices of if we take an array, take the it's a 2D matrix again. If we take this first array of this, it is saying 0. What the first one is going to be, it it's saying that whatsoever the 0th row which was of our matrix, add it by 1. So this whole has been written over here. Increment all the cells of a row of R of I. This is R of I, that is 0. It is here in this our matrix which we have constructed. It is, this one is the 0th row. Increment it by 1 1 1. Increment all the columns of this row by 1. So it will be 1 1 1. Initially it will be 1 1 1. But after that, this one is saying come to the first column, which is this one. Increment that again by 1 1 1. Increment that again by 1. So it was initially 1 1 1. Then in the first column I will be here, so it will be 1, it was earlier, now 1 plus 1 2 and 1 here. So after the completion of this, it will be converted to this. After that it is again on this one. Two ones have been given. So first one is saying come to the row number 1, which is this one. This is 0th row. This is first row of our matrix which we have constructed. Increment again it by 1. So 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, and 0 plus 1 again 1. So here this will be 1 2 1, and this is as it is. Now come to the column number 1, which will be this. 2 was there, 3, and here is also 2 3. So 1 3 1, this I have converted to 1 3 1 again. So that is and then we have to count the number of odd values, and we will return that. So first let's just write the code for, let's just construct our matrix. Let's say this is our matrix. Size is going to be of columns are going to be m, and rows will be m and columns will be n. Now in the end I just want to return a count. That count initially it will be 0. Now for each row less than mat dot length row plus plus, for each column, for each row, or for each row, then for each column. In that I will do check that if my mat of row column, if that is if that is if that is odd, yes, if that is odd, then count plus plus, and I will return the count. But I haven't done anything for the changes in my matrix, so how I'm going to do it? So for that I have to travel the array of indices in my indices which have been given. Now I just got the this one with this code over here. I am getting the straight array in my 2D matrix over in the indices one. uh, I will have row as array of 0. I will have column as array of 1. Initially what I want to do, I want to fix the I got this row. I want to increment for all the column of for this particular row. So I will write for int call this time. Call is going to be from 0. Call will be less than n. Call plus plus. I'm going to do what? I will do mat of row is fixed, which is r, and column will be this plus whatsoever number was there initially plus it by 1. The next loop again I am going to do it for row this time. Let's say this is first, so I just want to do it for this row, for this column. So row is something which is changing this time, so row is from 0, row less than my m, row plus plus. This time mat of row and column whatsoever it was initially plus it by 1. And that was all. I think this is how it should work over here. Let's just see whether we are getting the right answer or not. It is passing. Let's just submit it straight away, and I just hope that yeah, it's giving me the right answer. So let's just analyze the time complexity. Initially we are just over here, we are getting the each indices. So this is not going to take off the size of this indices, and then over here it will take m cross n. I think yes, it's not going to take, because row is going, I'm going to check for each cell of my matrix. So the size of the matrix is m cross n, so the time complexity at the most is going to be of m cross n, I guess. So that was whole about this code. I hope you have it helped you to get this code, to get understand this problem. And thanks for watching this one. See you later.